So this print is finishing up right now. If you want to play with this, it's another free model by 3D Print Bunny. The only thing you have to do is you got to use a big nozzle, because if you don't, when you're plastic, your nozzle pulls away, it'll kind of break at a thin point. So you have to have a pretty good flow and use a big nozzle. This is the 0.8. Also, when you take it off your build surface, you have to be careful with vases, because you'll remove your vase and your bottom layer will stay right there on the printer surface. Let's take a look at what we got here. Very interesting designs, you know. I'm going to give you a link to her Thangs account, because she has a lot of great models there, not just this one. This is Arion standard green PLA. Make sure you got enough temperature to keep your flow good. You see I was doing a pretty slow speed. I think I was doing like 60 millimeter outside. I don't think you really want to make this fast, you know, because it will pull away. Gotta do stuff slow sometimes, people. Slow is good. Let's see if we get this off. Alright, I think I'm done for the night. I'll see you guys tomorrow with something new. Let me know if you want to see something. Take care. Happy printing.